Hello everyone, it's Shayna with ShannonscraftyDIYs. Welcome to my channel. So today is Thrift Flip Thursday and I'm going to go into the host just a little bit later into the video. Today I have two thrift flips to share with you and I'm telling you guys these were absolutely free. We're supposed to do a challenge $10 or less, but these were free. I went to Craig's parents. They live in a small town and there was a really cute little free shop that people just bring their thrift stuff and we can take them for free. So let's begin. So I found this really gorgeous, huge candlestick. It was actually quite heavy, but of course I didn't like the color and I just wanted to give it a little spruce up. So I went over it with 2 coats of white acrylic paint and the top was brown, but I'm going to try out this gorgeous chalk paint from the Dollar Tree. It works fabulous, guys. That was only 1 coat of paint there. So now what I'm going to do is just distress it just a little bit with the Elephant Waverly chalk paint. Again, you guys know how to dry brush. I just take one of my chippy brushes, take as much paint off as possible, and you just go gently over the surface. And if you don't have one already, go pick up a Lazy Susan. I got this one from Dollarama for $4, but I know Dollar Tree comes out with them once in a while. So much easier to paint things, especially if you have to go around the item. But look at that, guys. How gorgeous has it turned out so far? So I'm taking this burlap ribbon. This was from Michael's, and I'm just taking some, just to wrap around just underneath the first part of the candle holder. And I'm just using my scissors just to stop the candlestick from rolling around, and I'm just going to hot glue it to the top. So I haven't shown you in a little while, so I'm just showing you here how I make my simple bows. So I'm just crisscrossing some of the ribbon and I'm going to just pinch it in the middle just like that. And I'm just going to use some floral wire and just tie it around the center of the bow. And that way it just secures it in place. And then what I'm going to do after is I'm just going to take an extra little piece of the ribbon and I'm going to hot glue it just around the center just to finish the bow. So I'm just gonna hot glue the bow to the top, and guys, check this out. I am so in love with this candlestick, and this, guys, like I said, was free. It's called a reuse it center. So again, people just bring their things that they don't want anymore. It's like bringing it to a thrift shop. But this, you can go every Saturday and pick up what you want for free. This is so awesome. So this is the Thrift Flip Thursday. This is hosted by Shayna from Robinson Repurposing and Savannah from Savvycraftswithsavannah. I would love it if you guys could go over to their channels. I will leave their links in the description box. Please go over and say hello. So DIY number 2, check this out. This is like a wine bottle holder and you can actually hold your wine glasses just on these, I guess, ledges. It was super cute as is, but you know, I had to give it some white paint. I feel like white paint always gives a refresh to things. Now this wood absorbed it so much. So I used 3 coats of paint and I can still see the wood through it. But you know what? I was running out of paint. So maybe in the future, I can go over it again. I never even distressed it because I think it still looks distressed, the fact that you can see the wood through the white paint. So here I am. I just had this extra piece of this nautical rope and I just figured to finish the handle. I thought this made it look super cute and farmhouse. I'm just wrapping the jute or the nautical rope just around the handle. So you all recognize this farmer's market sign. I got this from the Dollar Tree. I love everything about this. I'm just going to use the farmer's market part of the sign and I'm going to hot glue it to the front of the wine bottle holder. Is that what you want to call it? I was just deciding here, do I want to cover the space in the front or put it right to the bottom? But I did cover it up as you see here. So I'm just going to hot glue it to the center. So now I'm just going to take some of these gorgeous flowers from the Dollarama and I'm going to add them to the center of the wine bottle holder. Now, guys, this is optional. You can put whatever you want here. I am making it more of just a flower arrangement, but you can put a bottle of wine in there with the flowers and the glasses of wine that you see here. This is so cute to take on a picnic if you wanted to, but I just think this is such a great display piece. And guys, I am just so happy that both of these DIYs were literally free. I just revamped them with things that I already had on hand. I love thrift flips like this. So this, again, Thrift Flip Thursday happens on the second Thursday of every month. So I will do another one next month. And please go over to Shayna from Shayna Robinson Repurposing and Savannah from Savvycraftswithsavannah. And remember, please go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well. I post a lot of other DIYs there also. And I would love it if you guys could go say hi to me. So it's ShannonscraftyDIYs on Instagram. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want you to have a wonderful day. We'll see you later. Bye.